time for God, got time for mom, but don't got no time for no silly hoe. Watch cause a brick, I drop a dime. Round your head if you want some smoke. I got a gun, you got a fist. I think you know how this gonna go. I own the bomb, I am the shit, but I didn't come from no toilet bowl. Now down, back out, I'm take the cash route, I'm smashed out. I be the back out, all locked up, getting packed.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy White Bree, and I'm back with another video, man. So today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the last video I was supposed to do like 2 weeks ago for y'all. You feel me? So basically, is I bought a new project car. You feel me? I let y'all saw that video. Go check that out. You feel me? My project car, and then like a week or two later, I was gonna go ahead and change the handle on the door. I'm gonna start working on the door. Like I said earlier, I might not finish it. I might take off the door panel, but other than that, I don't know if I'm gonna finish it because I'm about to eat right now. I'm hungry. So I went ahead and, you know, I was recording and I was changing the handle on the door and everything. I broke the lock, so now the door doesn't lock. So it's open right now. So then I was recording and then I lost the files. Like, I don't know what happened to the files, the recording, I lost it. So now after that, I drove my car to go get a haircut. My hair was out, some food, and on my way back, the ball joint and the axle broke on the Civic. So then I had to call a tow truck, pay $60. $60. Yeah, so as I was explaining, the ball joint broke. I was driving, turning into my complex. The ball joint broke. I got a better video of it. I'm gonna show you guys. But here's the tow truck driver right here. Fix one thing and another thing go bad. Yeah, and the ball joint.
And the ball joint?
Yeah.
The ball joint busted, that's what made the axle.
Right. So, yeah, I just need it. Once I get it in there, I can set it back straight, but, yeah. All right, so we're in the fucking parking lot. Let me show you the axle for the runs out. Look, this is the motherfucking axle right here, and the ball joint. That's broke right there. Gotta get that fixing. Alright. So I put the wheel back together. Well, it's not back together, but I put it back straight. So I have to work on this another day. You can see where I came from through that gate right there under the bridge. I literally came from that bridge, right? You see that car right there? That's literally where I came from. Look. All I had to do was just drive, just like this car is doing. Drive, turn into the motherfucking complex. Feel me? Go all the way around, come right here, come park right here. But no, you wanted to break outside the gate. Okay. So let me go ahead and show you guys that I was working on the door. See, look, car's open. The door can't lock. So as you can see the door panel gone. It's missing, right? All right, so then I come in here. You can see I got tools and we got the door panel back here. Feel me? So I did change the door panel. and everything. Now, I don't know if you guys can see, but on the door here, there's supposed to be like a little green thing to lock it. Oh, okay, see that green thing right there? It's broke on the key. So I have to get a new one of those to go ahead and change it out. All right, so that's that on the door panel. Now, I lost that video of me changing it and doing everything. So this is just a quick update to update you guys, because I was supposed to drop a video, and it's hot. I'm sweating. The little time I just went out there sweating. But yeah. So this is a quick little update, man. Stay tuned. I got more music videos coming soon. Sir Snap about to drop another video. I got some more videos coming. You know what I mean? I want to go back out and start doing public interviews. But you know, with all this corona right now, all this shit going on, I don't know how that's gonna go. I don't know when we gonna go back out, man. So just stay tuned, man. It's your boy White Bree. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel. And I'm out of this bitch, gang.
Where the weed at, where the smoke? I thought spliff met my choke. Real bad man, no joke. Gun pa my waist, no hoes. Gunshot, Tony in a ghost. Why does some boy that for no? When I take this on the road, think I'm the shit, yeah I know. Little baby.